No, so what the? Wait, why is my shotgun so small? Not usually this small.
Ready?
Boom,
3,
boom.
2, 1, go.
Oh my god. Boom. There we go.
Ready?
I did it.
Are you
We
ready?
bring the boom.
You watch this 360 no scope. Dude, I can't be asked.
How big am I? How big do I look?
Me.
We bring the boom.
360. No.
1v1 wars. No. We bring up. Dude. Oh my god, you lag it. What are you doing? I'm taking your shotgun and I'm blowing you in the face.
No, please.
Oh shit.
Alright, bro, stop. Hands
Look
are
at how
up.
fast I can shoot.
Hands are up. Get the fuck out of my house.
What?
Oh, shit.
Oh! Dude, I can't take my shotgun.
Yo, you see this guy? Yo, look behind you. Shoot open that window. Shoot open that window.
I'm gonna take it.
Are you pointing at the window? No. Set it up. Yo,
Boom.
Yo, restaurant person?
Allahu Akbar.
Restaurant person? Oh, you killed him.
Oh, that was a civilian.
Yo, hands up.
Rocket jumping, rocket jumping.
Tactical rocket launch gaming. Alright.
Yo, watch out. Fuck you.
I'm switching teams.
I'm taking your gun. I'm taking.
I'm running.
Oh, it's gonna be a jump scare.
Oh, what?
Get the frick down.
Okay. Watch out.
Oh, shoot his foot off. Oh my god. Yo, he's still alive. Fuck you. What the f? He picked his weapon back up. Oh, guys on me, guys on me. Dead. Get down.
Yep, he's dead.
Get down.
On the ground now.
He was having his hands up, but he didn't fucking, like, he shot me.
Bro.
Why the fuck did you punch him and then he was just like,
What?
what just happened?
Boom.
Get down. Two. I'm gonna take your legacy. I'm gonna continue your legacy. Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar!
I'm gonna start supplying this, guys.
Yo, fuck these cops right here.
What? What just happened?
Okay, that's enough. He doesn't have any arms.
We should just blow both their arms off, then they can't do anything.
Yo, loosen that up.
Oh shit. Boom!
Bro.
He's gonna get up.
Oh,
He's
wait,
gonna get up.
He's gonna jump back up.
Oh, behind you, behind you, behind you!
Get on your knees and don't move.
Wait, how is this guy already detained? Look at this guy. This guy's already detained. He gave up.
Detained himself, bro.
Bro knew
No
he was
way.
coming, bro. Yo, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh my god. Oh my fuck, bro.
Hey, watch.
Oh.
Dude, your legs. Dude, I just punched. Is that fucking no! I'm dead.
Fuck you, bro. No, bro. Look at my dance moves, bro.
Dude, you're dead. What's happening?
Nah, this is what happened.
Oh my.
I'm nading him.
Dude, Bean, look at this beanbag body, bro.
That recoil. I love you.
Oh my. Transform. Yo, watch out, watch out.
We're a SWAT team, man. I'm depressed. Seen a lot of people die, man.
The fuck was that? We heard nobody.
Well, if you're dead, that's from us.
Let me be like them. Let me be like them. Look, look. I'm gonna be like them. I'm gonna be like them. Fuck was that?
What was that? What was that?
Please help me.
What was that?